The 2019 Volkswagen Arteon is preparing for its U.S. showcase discharge. The substitution for the swoopily styled CC vehicle, the more keen-looking Arteon is situated to go more upmarket, regardless of whether isn't coming towards the lavish statures where the Phaeton once lived. The Arteon was disclosed for Europe a year back in Geneva, and the time has now wanted the car to make it westbound. The main motors accessible for the Arteon anyplace are 4 barrels, and the most capable cycle of the 2.0 TSI is the sole choice for American Arteons, offering 268 drive-in American spec. An 8-speed programmed and front-wheel drive are standard on the Arteon, however it can be requested with 4-motion all-wheel drive if required. The particular levels will be SE, Cell and Cell Premium, and the highest point-of-the-line renditions will highlight such choices as the digital cockpit group, all-encompassing sunroof, a back rub work on the driver's seat and Dyne Audio premium sound. Full LED headlights and versatile damping are standard. Volkswagen North America CEO Heinrich J. Wobken says this auto is the profound successor to the CC, however it is bolder and quicker. Arteon has the style and execution of an extravagance Gran Turismo for about the cost of a completely stacked fair-size vehicle. No evaluating data is accessible at the season of composing, however the cost for a base auto has been assessed at $37,000. Prior reports have implied of a range-topping, turbocharged VR6 Arteon with more than 400 torque, however were it to make creation, it will probably stay distant for US clients.